So what's up YouTube? Welcome back. I hope all are doing well, and let's jump into this video. Okay, so in this video I'm teaching you about what is the how do you use this head command. So it is basically basically in the human being body, head is the top part of the what this body, right? That is like it is same like that. Let me show you. Okay, let me list it what and all the files are there. Okay, now what I do, I'll use head and what exit.txt and just display. So what this head will do, it will display the top content, top from the top to bottom. It will display only the top 5 or 6 or something like that. So if you need to display it in like numbers, you need to use -n. Then you need to specify how many numbers line you need. Exit.txt, then it will display only the top 1 2 3 4 file. Okay, that is what the use of -n. Let's say that you need to weave it in a specific byte. Okay, let's say that you need to weave it in a some amount of bytes. You need to use -c, then you will specify 100, then exit.txt. So it will specify in bytes. Okay, so till from starting from this is sum till to the catch me if you ca, till there it will be total of 100 bytes, 100 bytes. So if you need more than that, you can obviously use 200 bytes. That will be till to you if you catch me if you can. Okay, that is what the use of what's bytes command. That will be -c. Okay, the next I'll go for the next argument. That will be if you need to display a specific line. Okay, let me cat exit.txt. See, this is the 5th line, right? Catch me if you can. Okay, now what I do, I use cat command, sorry, not cat, head command, and I specify that +5 and exit.txt. It will print the 5th line. It will print till to the 5th line. Sorry, till to the 5th line. So that is what the use of -n +1. Okay, you can also do like that. The next argument will be using har, I guess. Read har exit.txt. So it's not, this command is not found, I guess, because R supports in some OS and it does not support in some OS. The next command will be using -n only, but now you'll use -5. Okay, what is this -5? I showed you +5. That will be starting from 1 2 3 4 5. That will be the top. And what is this -5 is nothing but it will be from the back side. It will be back from the back side, 5 lines from the back side. Okay, so it should actually print the 5 lines from the back side. Yeah, it should print. Okay, let's try it again. Head n5 exit2.txt. It is printing the whole thing, I guess. Yeah, so it is basically used to print the last 5 lines. Okay, now there is two files, that exit.txt and exit2.txt. You can also use to print multiple files also. Okay, you can also use, it will display. So this is from exit.txt. There is this much sentences, and there is this sentences or this much content in exit2.txt, or you can use for printing multiple files. Okay, let's say that you need to have some help, not like this double. You can use this if you have any doubt using head command. Okay, let me say that the last command will be using versions. So if you need to see the head command version, and if you need to see the person who wrote code for this particular command, then you can say that particular you can see that person name. It's not particular, it's a person name. Okay, So that is all up guys, and thank you for watching.